everybody. It's a very, very, very rainy day in New Jersey, but I wanted to say a couple things about a very, very, very important subject like the IRS. Now is the season, it's February, so you can expect, filing the income tax. And I needed to say a couple things because it sounds like not exactly we, some of us, so paranoid and so scared of just the sound, the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, that we need to know a couple things. First of all, when you're doing the right thing, you have nothing to worry about. You sleep at night well, you're telling the truth, so you're covered. That's it. End of discussion. We could actually end on this, except that some things are happening that these things don't even come from the IRS. Many people will receive phone calls or emails or text messages with, the IRS on it, and they ask you for your passwords, bank accounts, forget it. The IRS, the actual IRS will not do it. They only will contact you by a letter, in writing, sent by, usually the post office, but not emails, not phone calls. Not asking for your very, very personal information. And that's really important to remember. Otherwise, you're going to be a victim to a scam. And people is so scared of hearing this name that never mind the password, never mind the money, they're ready to give the firstborn child as well. Wrong. Totally wrong. The next thing that is good to remember is that if the IRS, after filing the income tax, will have any questions regarding your income tax, they will contact you, not your accountant. Okay? And that's important because you know nothing. Like me, hey, I'm not an accountant. That's why I have one of the best accountants, CPA, okay? But when something happens, guess who they're gonna call? Me and you. Because we actually the ones that are responsible, either you know or not, you're responsible for it. So make sure that you know what's been filed, especially when you may be hiring somebody new, or you do it yourself, I don't know. Then of course they're gonna ask you, and you better know what you're doing. But if you, like me, you don't know what to do, then you're asking your accountant to represent you, to talk to the IRS. So there, usually it's a power of attorney. And of course that costs money. But it is what it is. Hopefully we're gonna have a flat tax someday, and that's not gonna be an issue. But until then, it's good to know a couple things. So I hope I help you in some way or shape or form. And this is only an institution. Do the right thing, sleep well, and don't worry about the IRS. Love you all. Kisses, hugs, and until next time.